Hazrat Abu Abdurrahman Salami narrates that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, while we were in a funeral procession in Baqi Gharqad, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam also came there. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat down and we also sat down around him. He had a stick. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam lowered his head down and started scratching the earth with his stick. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, there is neither a soul nor any breathing one amongst you, but it has been written whether his abode will be in paradise or in hell. He will be wretched or fortunate. A man submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shouldn't we rely on what has been destined and stop performing actions? For whosoever amongst us is fortunate will join the fortunate, and whosoever amongst us is wretched will perform the actions of the wretched ones. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever is a blessed one, the practices of the blessed are made easy for him, and whosoever is a wretched one, the doings of the wretched people are made convenient for him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then read this. Then as for him who gave in charity and feared God and testified the best. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4948.